The aura of the people-centered leader, the story behind General Chiwenga's influence that made him the people's favorite. Sarabina mashkobleto kapanapa na makomichi achapangwa ino achiti aiwa zvii zvakaita kuti VP Constantine Chiwenga ave the man of the match, ave munhu wevanhu, ave munhu anogaina influence, afarirwe neveruzhinji. Ndoti pa subscriber wala got on the bell icon timda paenda makomichi anamudanyira achiti he has been the people's savior. Even when people thought Mugabe was going to create a dynasty, Chiwenga stepped up and fought for the people. He put people first on Cap 3, while most ZANU-PF politicians chose personal gain and supported Cap 3. Chiwenga insisted the bill should go to a referendum so the people could decide. He speaks against corruption. He has demanded the arrest of those stealing the nation's resources, while other leaders embrace them to gain favor from ill-gotten wealth. He is the voice of the voiceless. He listens to the people and speaks what the public is demanding. He stands in public and addresses the real concerns people complain about, while some politicians ignore them and claim everything is fine. He is a war veteran. He fought for the country to gain independence. He is people-centered. All his proposed policies are designed to benefit the public, the politicians. He stands for equal opportunity. He believes everyone should have the same chance, regardless of who they are or which province they come from. He is a man of his word. People trust him because he doesn't say one thing today and change it tomorrow. These are some of the things that create the aura around VP Chiwenga. His integrity and truthfulness have made people love him. Some politicians want him fired because he always stands for the people, not the elite. Doma developments are kudapangwa ine bila comment section medu odza mafunguro enyu muri kudipa musoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.